Hello, this is the practicing our bunny and putting it on the practice bow that has the blue frog helpers. So let's make our bunny first. Please raise your bow hand. That's your right hand. Please raise your violin hand. That's your left hand. Please raise your bow hand. Keep your bow hand up. We're going to make our bunny. So go ahead and bend the thumb. Scratch the bunny's chin. Cover up your thumbnail. And check that it's nice and round. It's really important to be relaxed. So that your hand relaxed. So pretend to dip it in a bucket of water. Shake it around. Bring it up. Bend the thumb. Scratch the thumb knuckle. Cover up the thumbnail. Make sure it's nice and round. Let's do our bunny chant. Happy bunny, sad bunny, hungry bunny, bunny hopping, bunny goes to sleep. Go ahead and imagine holding a salt shaker. Turn it upside down and shake. That's the same position as going to sleep. Next, let's put it on our practice bow. So, with your bow hand, pick up the practice bow. We're doing the one that has the frog on it. Hold it in your helper hand. This is candlestick with the tip up. Turn it to the side. Raise your other hand. Hold the stick of the bow. Let go with your bow hand. Now we're going to make our bunny. Bend the thumb. Cover up the thumbnail. And let's do our bunny chant. Happy bunny, sad bunny, hungry bunny, bunny hopping, bunny goes to sleep. Open it up. Thumb to the thumb corner. On this bow means the thumb goes under the frog. So right there's the thumb corner. Now biting the bow. The two middle fingers go between the blue parts. Now we go to sleep. So head on the pillow means this finger goes in front of the frog. And then dancing in its dreams means your pinky goes in that little circle part there. Let go with your helper hand and scratch the chin. Let's do that again. Candlestick, turn, helper hand, shake it out, make your bunny. Happy bunny, sad bunny, hungry bunny, bunny hopping, bunny goes to sleep. Open it up, thumb in the thumb corner. Bite the bow, go to sleep, elbow up, and dance in its dreams. So pinky in the circle. Have your bow straight up and down. And this is what, a new step we're going to do. This is called the rocket chant, using your bow hold. So with your bow, reach all the way forward, keep it in your right hand, your bow hand, all the way back, halfway out. Ready, go. I said up like a rocket, down like the rain, back and forth like a choo-choo train. I said up like a rocket, down like the rain, back and forth like a choo-choo train. Round and round like a great big sun. Knuckle on your nose, check pinky and thumb. Round and round like a great big sun. Knuckle on your nose, check pinky and thumb. Nice work. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Remember, your hand should be nice and relaxed. Bye-bye.